Are you lazy but still want a clean skid steer? This is a touchless wash system that works on any outdoor toys that get muddy. It's incredibly simple, just thread on a bottle and connect it up to any standard pressure washer. Now let the foam fly. The foam cannon automatically dilutes at 20-to-1 or higher, so it will work awesome on thick mud or a light dusting. It's non-acidic and biodegradable, so it doesn't harm my machine and I don't need to worry about the runoff. Just watch the mud dissolve and then rinse it off. We're so confident this is touchless, we stacked it up against the most common industrial cleaner. And I think it's safe to say it demolished it. It's no wonder everyone who is using this gives it 5-star reviews. Black Friday sale's on now. When you buy this kit, you get an extra 3 bottles of wash for free. That's $60 off. Link in bio.